Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding in a splash of a completely different color here. Now in order to do that, let's hop into the HTML here, and under temp logo I'm just going to go ahead and type in span. Now this span tag will let us go and play around with that one little tag here. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what I'm talking about. If I type in span and I type in color and I go white, you can see that indeed it's white. Now that small little dash of color looks really good, doesn't it? The question is, do we want to do that with the rest of the page? Well, we can do that. We can simply go and, for example, in our header 2 here, we can also type in span. Okay, and then lastly here, we can also type in span, and then of course obviously slash span. Okay, and then we can copy this header 2 here, 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 and here. Now remember, the way CSS works is that all span tags are exactly the same color. So that actually looks, I think, really good. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to go to my span color, and I'm not going to make it a complete white. I'm going to go RGBA, and I'm going to make it 250, 250. Actually, I'll make it 252. 252 and then 252, and then the last one's an alpha color, so it has to be a decimal. And you're probably not going to notice a difference, but your brain does notice a difference. This is not a white, it's an off-white, and that actually looks pretty cool. So we have our temp logo here, and you can see that all of these other items here work. Now, it looks like there's a bit of an issue with an extra little thing there. And that sometimes happens, and you can see that that works quite well. All right, this concludes the tutorial.